not going to get him to bark. Tony, they're not going to bark. Like, talk to me. Yay. Oh. Thank you. He's so gentle. He's gentle with her. Oh. Flying apple. Suey, you need to get in there, baby. Get in there. You're missing out.
Suave, gordo.
Missing out, girlie. You're done, huh? Go get it. Go, go, go.
Yeah.
Come on, girl. Get in there.
Y los de action.
I know, and then...
Comes Happy Dog. Tony, what's up, bud? It's like, I'm ready for my close-up.